Sige, tingnan natin po. Bawat bisig magkaisa International Incorporated. Wow. BBM SWAG, BBM Sara Unity, Alliances of Volunteers. Ayan, high pitch siya. Blissful Blessings International Organization. Bayaning Pilipino na aktibong tumutulong Barangay Peacekeeping Action Team. Parang ang hinamon. Bansang Sinilangan Malayang Maharlika. Bansang Sinilangan Malayang Maharlika. High hope goes for everyone. Atubaran Producers, blessed kami. Love and Care for PWD Association. Maharlika Women Empowerment Worldwide, blessed kami. National Council for Solo Parents, kami. Tribong Maharlika National Organization Incorporated. With a banner, you know, with a banner. By the way po, yung Tribong Maharlika National Organization Incorporated, galing pa po yan sa Mindanao. Kagabi lang sila dumating. At Bisaya. Luzon, Bisaya at Mindanao. Mula Apari hanggang Hulo. Okay. United Muslim Leaders of the Philippines Incorporated. Mali po. Blessed kami. Ulit po. Ulit po. United Muslim Leaders of the Philippines Incorporated. Ayun. Thank you. Unified PSWA and Alliance of Global Filipino. Ayan. Alright. And then we have the federal group. Blessed Sandingan ng Bayanihan. Great Nation Philippines. Health Action Movement. Pasig Islamic Society Incorporated. Blessed daw sila. Rock Rose Riders Club. Solid North, Luzon, and Mindanao. Woo! Toto Ascenso Filipino. Wanted Bagong Bayaning Maglilingkod. Ayun, with the banner. We Love Marcos Global. Sabay-sabay ulit. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. BBM Kaberks. Parang kayo rin yun. Naulit lang. Iba-iba. Magkamesa lang po. BSMM 2022. Ayan. Alright. Okay, at this juncture, tumayo po tayong lahat at tatawagin na po natin ang ating magiting na presidente at chairman na si Herbert Antonio Martinez. Parang naluluha kayo, sir? Parang naluluha kayo? Tayo po tayong lahat, itaas ang kanang kamay.
Taas po ang kanang kamay. I state your name. Having been accepted as member of Blessed Movement Incorporated, do solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that I will faithfully support, abide by, enforce, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and all laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities and the Constitution, by laws and rules and regulation of Blessed Movement. To all this, I impose upon myself this obligation voluntarily without mental reservation. Equivocation of purpose of evasion and to support. Dedicate and contribute immensely towards the achievement of the goals of movement. For the love of God, love of country, above all. So help me God. Congratulations everyone!
Blessed kami one more time!